Color blindness is a condition that affects how people see color. It is a common vision deficiency that can alter the way individuals perceive the world around them. People with color blindness see colors differently. This means that the colors they see may not match the colors that people with normal vision see. They may not see some colors at all. For example, someone with red-green color blindness might have trouble distinguishing between red and green hues. It is important to remember that most people with color blindness can see many colors. They often adapt to their condition and find ways to differentiate colors in their daily lives. They do not see the world in black and white. Instead, they see a spectrum of colors, but some colors may appear muted or confused with others. Color blindness is usually present at birth. This congenital condition is something individuals are born with and live with throughout their lives. It is often passed down from parents to their children. This hereditary trait can be traced through family lines, affecting multiple generations. It can affect both men and women, but it is more common in men. This is due to the genetic makeup and how the condition is inherited. This is because the genes for color blindness are often carried on the X chromosome. Since men have only one X chromosome, a single recessive gene can cause color blindness, whereas women would need two such genes to be affected. To understand color blindness, we first need to understand how we see color in the first place. We need to look inside the eye to see how this fascinating process works. Our eyes have special cells called cones, which are crucial for our ability to perceive color. Cones are responsible for detecting and interpreting the various colors we see in our environment. There are 3 types of cones, each with its own unique function. Each type of cone is sensitive to a different range of colors: red, green, and blue. These primary colors combine in various ways to create the full spectrum of colors we can see. When light enters the eye, these cones are activated and send electrical signals to the brain. The brain then interprets these signals, allowing us to perceive and differentiate between different colors. In cases of color blindness, one or more types of cones are either missing or not functioning properly. This disruption in the signal sent to the brain leads to differences in color perception, making it difficult to distinguish certain colors. For example, if someone is missing cones that are sensitive to red light, they will have difficulty distinguishing reds from greens. This is one of the most common forms of color blindness, known as red-green color blindness. There are other forms of color blindness as well, such as blue-yellow color blindness and total color blindness, each affecting color perception in different ways. While there is no cure for color blindness, there are tools and technologies like color-correcting glasses that can help individuals better distinguish colors. Many people with color blindness adapt to their condition and find ways to navigate the world of color in their own unique ways. There are different types of color blindness. The most common type is red-green color blindness. People with this type have trouble seeing the difference between red and green. Another type is blue-yellow color blindness. This is much rarer. People with this type have trouble seeing the difference between blue and yellow. A very small number of people have complete color blindness. This means they cannot see any color at all. They see the world in shades of gray. Section 4. Living with color blindness. Color blindness is usually not a serious condition. It is a common genetic disorder that affects a significant portion of the population, particularly men. However, it can affect some aspects of daily life. The inability to distinguish certain colors can lead to unique challenges that those with normal vision might not even consider. For example, people with color blindness may have difficulty choosing and matching clothes, reading maps and graphs, identifying traffic lights, and selecting ripe fruit. These tasks, which seem simple to most, can become quite complex and frustrating. Many people with color blindness learn to adapt to their condition. They develop unique methods and strategies to navigate their world more effectively. They may use specific strategies to help them with daily tasks. For instance, they might arrange their wardrobe in a particular order or use technology to assist with color identification. For example, they may learn the order of traffic lights or rely on other cues, such as shape and texture, to identify objects. By understanding and adapting to their condition, they can lead fulfilling and independent lives despite the challenges they face. Section 5. Color blindness in the world. Color blindness is surprisingly common. About 1 in 12 men and 1 in 200 women have some form of color blindness. That means millions of people around the world experience color differently. Interestingly, the prevalence of certain types of color blindness can vary in different populations. For example, red-green color blindness is more common in people of Northern European descent. Section 6. Advancements and interesting facts. While there is currently no cure for colorblindness, there have been exciting advancements in the field. Special glasses and contact lenses are being developed that can help some people with color blindness see a wider range of colors. Did you know that some animals see color differently than humans? For example, bees can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to the human eye. The study of color vision in both humans and animals continues to reveal fascinating insights into the world around us.